Hey everyone, welcome to week 3 in digital photography. A little weekly preview for you. We're going to start off the week looking into the different types of cameras and then moving on to a little brain pop about how cameras work. We are going to touch base on what copyright is, so you guys are aware of what copyright is and is not. And then we're also going to then start with composition. Composition is a topic that you want to talk about before you start really taking those photos because it teaches you how to lay out your photo. So we're going to talk about good and bad composition. And at the end of the week, you guys are going to start with one of your first projects and create your own composition. All right, if you guys have any questions throughout the week as you're working, don't hesitate to reach out. I do hope to see you on Thursday at our live class at 1 o'clock. And once again, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you guys have a great week. Take care.